Hi there. I'm not the expert yet on moving a match, but I'll show you a little bit about how it works. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Make. And so I'm going to go in and I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to make a new project. First thing I'm going to do is go up to the top and I can either choose a photo or I can choose a background from one of these. Just click on the green, shows you a little bit about what it looks like. If you want to choose a photo, you can simply go to your camera roll or photo stream. I'm just going to choose my photo stream. There's probably going to be some pictures in here I wouldn't choose, but let's take a look and see if there's something real quick that I want to use. For example, something like a background that you might have, a picture of, here we go, we'll just use one of these real quick. So I'm going to choose the pink and white stripes. That actually is a photo, and so I'm going to use it to start with as my background. The next thing I want to do, I want to put in some boxes, and to do that you double tap the screen. Okay, they're all going to open in this yellow color, but if you use the paint roller at the bottom, of course you can change colors. So I'm going to choose blue for this one. If you click the text, you can type inside there. Notice my keyboard opened up. You do have your alignment controls. I think I'll choose center. And the T's, I'll choose your text size. So let's pretend that we want to do maybe something with verbs and nouns. So I'm going to type in verb. And let's see, I think I want that a little bigger. Whoa, maybe too big. There we go. Now you're like, well, I don't want to leave it that big. You can change. I'm going to get rid of this, and then I can change the size by clicking and dragging. Okay, so I want to move that. I'm going to put that there. Okay, and I'm going to tap again. I'm going to go back and go my other favorite color, pink. How about that? I'm going to go pink, and I'm going to type in noun. How's that? So, get rid of my keyboard. Oh, I need to raise that up one size. There we go. So it'll match. And there we go. And you'll notice I did not center this one, so I'm going to go back. And there it is. And now I'm going to drag it over here. Now, I can go in and, if I'd like to, go in and just add words, and they could sort them in the columns. Similar to what you've done with the smartboard, but another way to make one. Oops, I don't want a photo. I'm going to go make another box, and this time I'm going to put a picture in it. Now I don't really have a picture of too many, so I'm going to actually take a picture. So I've got, let's see here, grab something, get my camera lined up. I'm going to say, there's a picture of glass, and I have the option, should have had the option of saving it, but let's go back to the app, which is still open down here, and I'll press cancel because I didn't see the picture. So let's go try it again. Picture. Now if you'll notice at the bottom I have a use button. So I'm going to tell it to use it. And notice it's inserted it. And I will come back to that. I'm going to tap off of it. And now I'm going to double tap again. And let's go find, oh, I didn't want to take a photo. I'm sorry. Let's go choose a photo. And in my photo stream I have a picture somewhere of my garden. So I'm going to use that picture of my garden. Okay, now just like the other ones, you can increase, decrease their size if you want. All I'm doing is pinching together, and if I wanted to continue I could use words, I could put anything in there I wanted to. You could have for example, if I already had some pictures on my iPad and I wanted to make some pictures with people using noun or verbs such as sleeping, swimming, or whatever, I could do that. So here are some basics on putting this in. Other things that you need to look at. let's talk about up at the top, the controls. I'm going to show you how to learn what all the controls are. Use the I at the corner. Okay, I for information. Notice we have arrows that point to every icon, and they will show you what that icon is for. Notice we have folders. You can actually choose a project, rename, delete projects. You can go in and work on them and change them, of course, as far as editing. It says undo, gone back too far. Tap to get your changes back if you've ever deleted something but wanted it back. There's a great one. There's the redo right by it. The background, of course, you can change at any time. To get a new project, you're going to choose the icon at the top, which is right here. When you're ready to save the project, that looks like an old-fashioned floppy disk. And then when you're ready to share it, what's really great about this part is that you can share your project with anybody that has the app loaded. You can get back to the information at any time. You can X out of it and it'll go away. So there are several pages. We'll go to the second page. This shows you how to resize, to add a box. This shows you how to put pictures in a box. And here you go. It talks about creating a box and changing colors. I honestly think that one needed to go first, but whatever. And then they give you the last screen, which gives you an actual link to a Dropbox. And you can go there and find some that are already made. I would expect you can go to moveandmatch.com as well. So that's just a quick little overview. This could be used for a variety of activities, particularly vocabulary, anything you could do with fill in the blanks, matching, organizing, putting in order, anything like that you could think of. That's it.